Hey everybody, it's Walt, Dirtfoot Racing. I was chatting with another YouTuber out there last night on the interwebs, and who had done some Monster Moto 80 stuff. And I mentioned that I had a Monster Moto 80 that I stretched, and I added an extension on the back of the frame and put an 8-horse Briggs in it. So I said I would go ahead and do some take some video and take some pictures and get it out there so everybody can see it again, kind of refresh the whole deal. So yeah, this started out as a Monster Moto 80. I stretched the frame about 3 inches down the bottom and the top. Then I made these extensions in the back, welded it on. Made my own disc brake attachment point there. That's an 8-horse Briggs flathead. I made that intake manifold to use the Chikuni carburetor on it. Seems to work pretty well. I had to do that drop down to clear the frame. Made that stainless steel gas tank. Made this triple clamp arrangement / triple tree fork arrangement. Bought a longer set of forks off of Amazon because those little small ones that everybody ride around in, they use on the Monster Moto 80 are way too short. So I went in and to make it all work, made my own triple clamp arrangement, and I'm running those Sun F tires on the front and the rear at the moment. Went to a large sprocket in the back, a 62, so I can get I think it's a 60. Get a lot of torque out of that. Probably gonna go to a larger diameter wheel in the future here. The 8-horse Briggs I bought used from someone local here. Seems to work pretty well. The silencer on the back came off a 2-stroke dirt bike from the 80s that I had sitting around on my shed. But yeah, had to lengthen the kickstand because it was too short because of the ride height. Originally I had this bike set up with those little Monster Moto 80 front forks, and it was way too short. The nose, your feet were real close to the ground when you turned. It was scary close, so that's why I went with this. This is more like a grown-up size thing. I did a little adjustment on the engine when I had it apart, on the valves a little bit, so I kind of increased the when it reaches top dead center, it's been compressing the fuel mixture a lot longer, and thing lopes, and it's got a lot more zing than it had before. But yeah, no, this thing is it's a lot of fun to ride, and it's kind of cool because got the big 8-horse in there loping along. So that's what I did, and that's how it works. Take it easy, guys. If you like this kind of stuff, like, share, subscribe. We'll talk to you later. See ya.